I thought overall the movie is brilliant, damn good, and the best part is Varun Dhawan. Go for Varun Dhawan.
Varun Dhawan and Nawazuddin Siddiqui, they are brilliant.
First half was very good. Nawaz's performance, Radhika Apte and Varun Dhawan were very good.
Varun Dhawan's acting is amazing.
A little more than 28 crores for Badlapur. Interesting. I really didn't think the film would make so much of money. It's good news for Varun, right?
Yeah.
I watched the film and I really liked him in the film.
I would disagree. I didn't really like him in the film because, well, I thought that he could have played the role better, but I think he wasn't living the character of Raghu in the film.
It was a good attempt in the sense that from what he's been doing in the past, it was a drastic change from that. So kudos to him, props to him for that. But he was unable to sell the act to me.
You mean you didn't
Raghu.
buy Raghu?
Yeah, I didn't buy
You
Raghu.
saw Varun and him.
Yeah,
all
it was
over.
just a tailor-made guy who's been given a director's brief as to how he has to walk, how he has to cry, how he has to act. He was not living, breathing, functioning as Raghu.
But you have to remember, this is the same guy who's worn those speedos and come out of the water in Student of the Year. It is the same guy who's kind of swooned over Alia, and his name was Seenu in the film.
Actually, I feel Varun has done a very good job. But the point is, his character, the way Sriram Raghavan has defined is, it's not actually complete or.
So you're saying the writing is flawed?
That is flawed, yeah.
Yeah.
His character is flawed
I
in
would
a
agree with
way.
that.
He has nothing to do other than just seek revenge. And he seeks revenge in a very different way. Like he leaves Nawaz at the end, which actually baffles me.
Yeah, that's
that
a big
baffled all
sore
of
thumb
us.
in the film. That I think
I think
was
none
really.
of us agreed with
It was
that.
bullshit for him not to kill Nawaz in the film. I was like, I have paid $200 for this film and he's not killed that guy. Like, why? And he's killed
really
Vinay
morbid.
Pathak.
The film was also marketed as a violent film. Like we were expecting a lot of gore.
Yeah, the hammer.
Yeah, the hammer.
I personally
Where
would
was
have
the
liked
hammer
to
in the
see
film?
more bloodshed.
Where was
Like
the
it was,
hammer?
yeah.
Except for the one with the smashing of Vinay Pathak with the hammer. And apart from that, the other violent scene is the rape scene with Huma Qureshi.
Which I
That
thought.
is,
That was like a
Like
very
guys,
jarring.
I remember in the theater, everybody went like, is it happening for
Yeah.
real?
Yeah.
No, but I
Go
thought the scene was
into-
shot brilliantly, and what he wanted to convey, it came out really well.
I really feel that Sriram Raghavan is a director who is so technical about everything.
Yeah.
For him to kind of have that rape scene at a point in the film where it really wasn't necessary. Because if you remember, there is another scene where he's throwing a bundle of money at her.
Yeah.
And it's assumed that they've had
They've
sex.
had sex.
But the point is, that scene makes so much impact on you. That shock factor is there. Like, he has lost his wife and kids just now, and he's doing something like this. He wants to hurt Layak in any way, any possible way he can.
I didn't think that he could reach that point where he would be, seeking
Yeah,
revenge in
I
such a
kind of
manner. I
agree
was
with
quite
her.
taken aback when that rape scene came.
But I think thumbs up for a director to have such an explicit graphic scene
it
with
was
a mainstream actor to kind of do that. I mean, you would
It was a
have.
milestone.
I mean, that was a very brave attempt by him. Like,
Yeah, exactly.
And
What
we've
about
seen this in Hollywood, so it was the first time.
right?
I think
As I think Shrishti kind of told me the other day that she saw the film, a lot of references to Dexter, and she thought a lot of scenes were.
that entire plastic covered room. There was a method of killing the person so that there's no blood spattered on other parts of the room.
Yeah.
That was completely borrowed from Dexter. I mean, that's Dexter's way of killing people. And also there was a very strong Batman reference running
Which was
throughout
cool,
the
I
film.
thought. So those
Which
posters
there's the poster
and
where
the toy
he's
figurines,
posing with
yeah.
his son whose name is Robin. And then there's Batman and Robin, and Batman's family is killed, so he's become an Avenger, and he has also become an Avenger. So I mean, those nuances were sort of cool.
But do we have a consensus on Varun in the film? What are we saying? Did we like him?
I
Did we
think he
not like
really
him?
needs to work on his dialogue delivery.
Yeah, and diction.
He did give a few good scenes because he did act
When
well.
you
but
say a dialogue delivery and a diction, you mean the way he talks or the way he sounds? Or both?
I think both, a mix of both, because it just kills his.
I want to
persona
go back
on
to the
screen,
scenes that he really shined in. Like the scene with Radhika Apte and Vinay Pathak.
Yeah,
Where
that was
he
a good scene. That was a good
having
scene.
sex with her, and then the
Yeah.
Mera Naam Lo and all
Yes,
that.
the
That
orgasmic
entire
sound.
scene was-
Totally good.
It was
Yeah.
brilliant.
Did you guys really feel that he looked 40 in the film?
I thought he did a good job looking 40. It was more believable than the younger Varun Dhawan. The first half, he was just crying and he was just searching for answers, but there is nothing for him to perform as such. In the second half, you feel that he wants revenge and he has a plan, like, this is how I'm going to do it.
But then in the end, I was not very connected to Varun's character as much as I was connected to Nawaz's character. It was very real, I thought. The way the character was written was very, very.
But I
believable.
feel Badlapur was not made for Varun Dhawan, it was made for Nawazuddin
Oh,
Siddiqui.
definitely.
Like the whole film, I'm not talking about the length of his role, but I'm talking about the impact of his role. Like he stays with you, he lingers with you.
Yeah.
Like you can see that Layaks, that chalna kuch sexy bolna, that line which
Kuch
he
gandi baat
Gandi baat
bol.
bol.
Yeah.
right? Like
Yeah.
that part really stands out. And everybody laughs in the theatre at the right point. He's kind of played to the gallery, but he's done it very smartly. Like I saw him almost like a hyena. He was very slick. What about the women? What about Huma Qureshi? For once, I was happy that the attention towards her has shifted from her body type and her weight and to how good she is and
Yeah,
how great
yeah.
she is as a performer.
She did a good job at
But
what
more
she-
than her, I liked Radhika.
Radhika Apte. Even I would
mean,
agree
she's
with that.
one actress to look forward to. Like she had this quality about her that you couldn't like look away
Look
from
away
her when
because
she's
she's-
in a scene. I mean, she was.
And
she
how
was very
comfortable was she in her
believable as
skin?
the-
Yeah, she took off.
It does
for
take
That
guts to-
entire
yeah.
scene is a pretty path-breaking scene where you're taking your clothes off
And still
you're
so
just standing
comfortable.
there.
But then again, if you
Pure.
compare Radhika Apte with Huma Qureshi, Radhika Apte had a much better role. As such, she had a role which would impact the story. Huma Qureshi was like sidelined, like she had a. It was like a
No,
parallel.
in fact, I
parallel-
think I disagree with you.
Yeah.
In fact, I feel the contrary is true, where I feel that the writers, when they were writing the film, wanted Huma to be an intrinsic part of the film.
Yeah.
But clearly, along the path, they lost that track and they've diverted towards something else. But Huma Qureshi definitely wanted to be or had to be the catalyst in terms of how the story closes and ends. Like if you look at the last scene,
Yeah.
where she comes and she tells him कि तुम्हारा बदला
तुम्हारा
हो
last
गया.
chance मिला है तुम्हें.
अभी तुम क्या करोगे?
This all
So on a
about
scale
all
of 1 to 5, if we have to rate Badlapur as a vengeance drama, a revenge drama, what would you say?
3.
I think 3.
Cool.
I would say 4.5.
I would say 2.5.
2.5.
It's a good first attempt, but then I've seen better the psychological neo-noir films. I've seen better stuff.
But I just think you
So-
guys you're not giving Varun enough credit and you're just ganging up on me.
No, I mean,
Yeah.
he really needs to work
He really
on.
needs to get
needs to
credit.
work on his
He
stuff.
is getting credit. We are commending
And
on his.
Maybe we went in with a lot of expectations,
Yeah.
but it was just like not worth.
I mean,
the
it's
hype.
Varun Dhawan.
Yeah.
What do you
much
mean
more-
it's Varun
How
Dhawan?
much more can you expect?
You are already judging a guy before
But
No,
letting him
we
do
aren't. We
something.
weren't judging
We're
by
just
cover.
talking
We were
on the
judging it by the
basis.
promotions that went into the film.
I disagree.
Like the trailer.
I think you guys are biased.
I should become this Varun Dhawan fanboy.
I am not a Varun Dhawan
don't
fanboy.
like
I really
Dennis
liked
Boy.
Varun in this film. And Varun, if you're watching, it's
No.
great. You should do more of
Varun,
these
we
kind of
don't hate
films.
you,
We don't, yeah.
But I'm leaving this
okay,
conversation.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
right.
Now you've
You
really
guys
Fine,
take
take
Varun
it,
Dhawan.
bye. Whatever.
Fine,
We
fine,
don't
bye.
care about this anymore.
We won.
We don't care
We
about
won,
this.
we won.
We won.
For more such video, subscribe bollywoodlife.com.